Do you have a couple of circles? Let's duplicate them a couple of times and we'll arrange them like this very quickly. So you have a couple of circles and they're a little bit all over the place. You want to tidy them up. Make sure that you have your top circle at the top position and your bottom circle at the bottom position. And these ones in the middle, you can just have wherever you want. Let's make them a little bit smaller. So we'll position that over there and the top one over there. Now you want to tidy them up so that they're all in a nice straight line. Go ahead and select all of them. Next, you're going to click on position. And then you're going to go down to space evenly. You've got vertically, horizontally, and tidy up. The one I want to show you is tidy up. Look what happens when we click on tidy up. All of them now are in a straight line, evenly spaced between one another. That is incredibly helpful, especially if you're going to be creating some text next to it by way of a key. And let's just duplicate that a number of times. See what I'm doing over here? I'm lining it up with the top one. And when I click on duplicate now, it will be lined up immediately below that. But you'll see that it's not quite lined up to the circles. So I'm going to go ahead and position that ever so slightly over there. And now I'm going to take these and I'm going to go back to position and back to tidy up. And now we have them perfectly lined up to where they should be. Well, that wasn't really true. So let's go and have a look and see. Do that again, position and tidy up, and that's better. Now we have them 100% where they need to be. Now, in the event that you need to perhaps place a letter or a number inside the circle there, let's do text box again, and we'll create a little number 1, make it a little bit bigger, not quite that big. Let's zoom in so we can see properly. Now I've picked it up with my mouse and now I want to insert that in the circle there. Note what Canva does. When I start positioning it, Canva automatically gives me a line down the center as well as in the middle. So I know now that that little one is positioned exactly where I want it to be. If I want to change that to an A, let's just do that and try and position that again, ever so slightly, make your movements, and there we go. It is 100% aligned. So Canva helps you with its guides, and also it will help you when it comes to positioning it when you've got more than one selected like this. You'll get space evenly and it will have tidy up. Quite a nifty feature from Canva, don't you think?